Hi guys, Kieran here, Whitefoot Guitars. Just a quick update with where we are with the guitar. Had a busy couple of weekends, so I've not had a chance to get on YouTube, but I have done some more on this over the weekend. So we have done the headstock veneer, cutting down the veneer plate more to the required thickness on the bandsaw, and then using the flattening jig from my rater to get it down to a thickness of around 2mm, quite thin. And it's just a quick shot of what we have with the neck, the fretboard and the veneer, and then we get it glued up and get some clamps on it, and left that for several hours to get it to cure. And now the clamps are off, and then we get it cut down to the final shape with the headstock. I've glued the fretboard on. So using the flattening jig again to get the fretboard blank down to around 6.5mm. Then we get it glued and under some clamps. You always need more clamps. So left that for several hours, and there we go. The fretboard is on the neck blank. Next job after that was getting it cut down on the bandsaw, and then using a bearing cutter on the racing table to trim it flush to the sides of the neck blank. I've radiused the fretboard. Used a radius block to get it to a 12-inch radius. Needs a little bit of leveling, just because I was uneven with the pressure in some places, but we'll sort that out with some leveling beams. And then we'll be doing the fret slots. Right now, this is where we're at. So here's the headstock veneer, truss rod access drilled. Scary part about guitar building, getting this lined up and into the truss rod without breaking the little bridge of wood where the nut sits. Start with an 8mm bit, go in very slightly and then angle back towards the slot, and then use a 6mm long drill bit to go through actually into where the end of the truss rod will be. Yeah, I've broken a few trying that, but we were successful in this case, luckily. So yeah, that's in, and I've checked as well that I can get an Allen key in and it works. I've redone the lines, centre line, etc. according to the neck position. So I've got the neck in the guitar, and I've held a straight edge to each side of the fretboard and drawn straight down the body, and then I'm checking in relation to the centre line. I was off by a fraction, around just under a millimetre, so I've realigned where the centre line will be in relation to the neck. This is so that the bridge and the pickups will line up with the strings. Quite important, because without that it looks weird and it feels strange when you play it, and you run out of room on the edges of the fretboard. So quite important. So thanks for watching. If you've come across this video and you're not sure what's going on, I'll put a link for the first video in, so you can go back and hear me explain what this is all about for the build off. And if you can, give me a like and a subscribe. So thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.